Hey there, welcome back to our channel Tech Basics. In this video, I'm going to walk you through on how to log into everything at work. It's a very quick and simple step. All you gotta do is follow along and you'll be logged into your Everything at Work account. First thing first, open up a preferred web browser. I prefer Google Chrome, so let's tap there. And at the very top, you can see a search bar. Let's tap there and let's type in Everything at Work login and hit enter. Now here, make sure you tap into the official site, which is this one right here. And there you go, you'll be greeted with this page. All you gotta do is fill in these empty fields. Let's type in our username. It could be your email as well. And your password. Now, since we've already done that, if you want this site to remember your information, you can tap in that tiny square box and it will be marked, or we can leave it like that. Let's leave it like that for now. If you've forgotten your password, don't need to worry at all. You can tap in that option that is click here to reset. That's in the purple or bluish lettering. And if you're a new user, you can click in that option that says click here to register. You can simply click there and it will help you through. So since we have already filled in the empty field with all the required informations, all we gotta do is tap in that login button and you'll be logged into your account. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel Tech Basics. That's it. Thank you and we'll see you in the next video.